Hey, this is Jacob from Lasagna EKJ. We are going to see what a cheap spring-powered airsoft gun can do to this box. Now, let's see how this works. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna have to shoot it. Oh! Oh, that one bounced off. Now this is a magazine that holds 12 rounds, so we'll see what. Dang it! Why are they bouncing off? That's weird. That's what I get for using a gun that was $15 at Walmart. Next magazine. Don't walk over here, I'm filming, Dad. Crap, this camera's not showing it up very well.
I don't think it came with the tape.
That's okay, I'll take it over there. Trust me, it's gonna work. Shoot. Okay, that's empty. Let's go see what this gun did to it. Here. Oh, look at that. It's torn up. It's got some nice dings in it. Hang on, let me zoom. See, it's got some nice dents in it. And you're probably wondering what I used to do this. I use this airsoft handgun. It's just a generic cheap gun. But yeah, it looks like it tore this box up pretty good. So yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to all of our videos.